Good morning and welcome from sunny Helsinki. First, I want to thank the chair of the XR enablement track for the introduction and AWE for the opportunity to share the Helsinki Open AR Cloud Showcase. In the next 15 minutes, I will show you how Immersal is enabling Open AR Cloud of the world, beginning from Helsinki, Finland. My name is Anttoni Vesterinen, and as they say, I've been there, I've done that as far as we talk about scaling up technology businesses. Immersal and the AR cloud technology are definitely the biggest thing so far for my career. Next, few words about Immersal. The company is based in Helsinki with strong ecosystem around mobile, machine vision, and gaming. Immersal is one of the early members of Open AR Cloud Foundation. It's already 5 years since we started large-scale AR experience development with the Helsinki Expo Center. The first ever AR infotainment solution for exhibitions was launched in 2016, covering an area of more than 10,000 square meters or 1 million square feet with automated content management solution for the standard AR content. We soon realized, though, that the marker-based solution was not scalable and started developing the markerless mapping and localization tech in 2018. Version 1.0 of the Immersal SDK and the related cloud service were released a year ago here in AWE USA. Now we are running version 1.5 with all the features and functionalities to enable crowdsourced and ever-refreshing world map of the Open AR Cloud. Immersal Mapper app and the cloud service enable mapping indoor and out from the corner of your living room to whole oil refinery or from your front page to whole city. The following short video will give you an insight to the amazing capabilities of Immersal technology. Okay. Now let's get to the topic of the talk, the city-scale mapping of center of Helsinki. The goal of the program was to show that the processes and tools are available, easy to use, and scalable to enable crowdsourcing a city-scale localizing map or digital twin, as you also call it. Introduction is best done with another short video. The process for generating the localizing city scale map is following. Use the regular smartphone and the free Immersal Mapper app available on Play and App stores. Map the city center in block-sized submaps. Map construction and the map hosting then happens on Immersal cloud services. GPS position is used to initially align the maps, and we used the internal alpha version of toolset to verify and fix the alignment issues that might happen there. After quality assurance, maps will be tagged as public in developer portal for immediate sharing. After planning the process first physical step of the is to do physical mapping. This means photo walking the streets. Immersal Mapper captures images and sensor data, then sends it to our cloud services for processing. GPS data is used to orient the maps. The app can be used for acid testing of constructed maps immediately on the spot where you have done the mapping. Immersal Cloud Service is the engine behind the localizing maps. Maps are built on the cloud service after the mapping process as a batch process. Proprietary algorithm creates the efficiently localizing digital twin or AR map, as you would call it. Several maps can be built simultaneously, and maps can also be queued. The cloud service infrastructure is fully scalable, supporting unlimited number of simultaneous mappers. Use Immersal developer portal for quality assurance, management, and hosting the maps. Maps and other output data are available from the developer portal. Localizing point clouds and meshes of the scenes submaps are also available for reference and visual inspection. Maps can be made public and shared via the portal. Web-based map editor directly in the portal is also on the roadmap. Result of this effort is a massive AR-enabling map of Helsinki city center. There are some 120 plus localizing submaps for the center of the city. The stitched map covers about 1 million square meters, 10 million square feet, or 30 city blocks, plus some additional sites. We were 2 persons mapping over a period of 2 weeks, spending 1 to 2 hours per day outdoors in the chilly spring of Helsinki in the end of March. We had lined up a team of students to create an order of magnitude larger map, but the COVID situation made us cancel that. About 4 hours was spent on quality assurance and managing the map data. As you see the result here, as professionals, you know this is not trying to be a photorealistic representation of the map space. It is, though, a presentation of the AR-enabled space in Helsinki, waiting for content. We make the map data open for any developer wanting to use it, with only requirement that all extensions and updates to be shared with other users. All the pieces are there to create the map of the worldwide AR cloud now. Immersal Mapper is free and can be used on more than 1 billion devices out there today. Non-commercial account to our cloud service to manage small number of maps is free. Immersal SDK version 1.5 enables immediate sharing of the maps. And Immersal SDK and developer portal provide everyone access to the public maps. Do you have a street, campus, or city to AR enable? Thank you for watching the Open AR Cloud Showcase presentation. I'm now happy to answer any questions you might have. Hello, and I'm back online as the chairman of the track. Probably I should not thank myself for the great presentation, even though I thought it was rather good. Q&A we have an interesting question from Leslie Shannon. How do you encourage and reward people to do the mapping when we are crowdsourcing the maps? We believe strongly in the, I would call it the Wikipedia model, that when people see the results of their work and they share it and they see that it's shared to others, then they are willing to contribute themselves. It's as simple as that. And as in the presentation, I said that the tools are there today to provide the capability of mapping and then viewing the maps on the developer portal and then sharing them with no cost to the mapper, and then very little cost when a large amount of maps would be used for content distribution and for example, games and navigation, etc. I do not see any other questions on the stream at this point of time, or actually there are a couple. How many students it took to map all of Helsinki was Reda Siblini's question, and we had aligned a team of 5 students, but as said during the presentation, they bailed out because of the corona situation, and we ended up just 2 of Immersal teammates, Teemu Värilund and myself, to do the mapping within 20 hours or so photo walking. Then Reda is also asking, can we use the SDK to map our own city? Yes, of course you can. Just sign on with an account and start doing that. It's open and out there. Then I think the other questions require quite a lot more insight and longer explanations, which should be done offline. And I'll stop here the Q&A. I'll be happy to answer any questions on Twitter, LinkedIn, this feed here, or just sending an email to me or any of my colleagues.